An unruly demonstrator lifts a stone of mass 200 gram. An unruly demonstrator lifts a stone of mass 200 gram from the ground. So what is unruly demonstration? So you would have heard in newspaper or at many places you will see that there are some demonstration going on in front of secretariat, in front of parliament, or in front of at any road. So some demonstration is going on, and an unruly demonstrator throws a stone. So he lifts a stone of mass 200 gram from the ground and throws it at his opponent. Okay, so there are some opponent are also there. So he lifts some stone and throws on his opponent. At the time of projection, the stone is 150 centimeter above the ground and has a speed 3 meter per second. Calculate the work done by demonstrator during the process. If it takes 1 second for the demonstrator to lift the stone and throw, what horsepower does he use? Okay, so how do we solve it? Okay, so suppose the stone is lifted from ground, lifted to some height. Okay, lifted to some height, that is 150 centimeter, and then thrown with speed. Okay, so it is having speed. So it is raised to some height and then thrown with some speed. So it is having change of kinetic energy as well as change of potential energy. So total work done is equal to change of kinetic energy plus change of potential energy. So how much is change of kinetic energy? Half mv square, whatever velocity required, the 3 meter per second. And change of potential energy, mgh. Okay, so this is the total work done on the object by the demonstrator. And now if we divide this work with time, we are going to get the power. The power given by a demonstrator, the power will be equal to W by T. So half mv square plus mgh divided by time. So this thing we have to do. So half into m, mass is 200 gram. So that is 0.2 kg. V is 3. And then 0.2 kg into g is 10 and height is 150 centimeter. So that is 1.5 meter. Okay, 150 centimeter is 1.5 meter. Okay, and 200 gram is 0.2 kg. So that is the thing I have written. Okay, so how much will be its value? So it is 9 by 10, and here it is 15 into 0.2, so 3. Or we can write the 39 by 10 or 3.9 watt. Okay, so this is the power, and in HP also we can convert. So in HP it will be 3.9 by 746 horsepower. Okay, so this is the power delivered by the person.